I didn't say it's there now, but you did.
Hand me the phone. Hand me the phone. Doesn't she look like a culprit?
She is the culprit. You both are the culprits. Okay, it looks like
That's revenge for all the things you stole.
What kind of plane is it? S3.
It's pretty big anyway. You check my bag. You can check my bag and you check.
It's like one of those phones you go, hello?
I don't know where it is. Don't look at me.
It's mine.
It might be up there. Don't you think?
Yeah, right. It was in the middle of class.
Was it? Was it? Do you know that for sure?
I do know, because I came back right.
But you did leave for a while and we could have moved it.
No, because I came. Yeah. Not too far.
Oh my
Oh no, it can't go.
Why not?
I don't know. I think I see the end of it. Right up there. I'm recording this whole thing. Oh, this is so funny.
Do I even want to know? Maybe. Okay, we're going to dinner now. Let's go for dinner, guys.
Oh, dinner time. Sorry, Taylor.
It's not dinner time yet.